guys, welcome back to our channel Vehemence of Life. So today is 3rd of June, so we are traveling to Udupi and we are in nice road. So it's a bright sunny morning today and Udupi is showing 425 kilometer from here and it will take around 8 hours and we'll be reaching by 6 o'clock, somewhere around 6 o'clock. So we are at the exit of Nice Road and taking the exit of Tumkur. Now you can see the traffic. It's a bumper to bumper traffic. Udupi is famous tourist spot, which is the first time we are traveling to Udupi, and is situated in the west coast of Karnataka, and it's famous for magnificent beaches.
And watch out for these cows. We have now stopped for the lunch at Rock Garden restaurant at Mudigere. We had ordered for mutton and butter naan. So guys, finally we have reached. This is the Malpe Beach and
Proceed to the route.
on the opposite side is our hotel. Hey guys, so we have checked into our hotel and the only advantage of this hotel is it's on the sea beach. Other than that, the room is below average, and seriously speaking, I didn't expect this much of bad room we will get. Just take a look. This is coming out, and see how they have planned it. It's just nothing but a tube light. This is how the interior is. So upon request they changed the last room, but this is no better, but somehow we felt like a little bit maybe cleaner because the last one had cobwebs and this one is having damp on the ceiling also. So this is a 40 years old property and we are almost disappointed now. So we will head out to sea beach and see how the view is right now. Although it's almost dark, how much we can see, that's a question. And believe me, this sea breeze took out all our frustration of the room. So there are many food stalls where you can find the seafood. You can select the fish, prawns or crab, and they will fry in front of you. Today we were having dinner at our hotel, but tomorrow we will come back and test this seafood.
Hi guys, good morning. Today is day 1. We just finished our breakfast and came to Sea Walk. Just have a look.
The Malpe Sea Walk is nothing but a 500 meters walkway into the sea, and it's built on the boulders. So to reach the sea walk, you have to cross this small park with different sculptures you can take photo with, and they are really good. So just have a look. So we have now crossed the sea walk and reached to the last point, and look what we have crossed to reach here. There are plenty of boulders that you have to carefully cross to reach at this point. The St. Mary's Island is closed because it's a rainy season now.
So guys, we just left Seawalk and heading towards Malpe Beach. So Malpe Beach is showing somewhere around 8.3 kilometers. So this is that.
We are now heading towards Padubidri Beach, and from the map you can see one side of the road is the sea and the other side is the backwater. It's very interesting to drive on this road.
So guys, we are at Budubidri Endpoint Beach.
No, blue flag endpoint beach.
Yeah, it's also called Blue Flag Endpoint Beach.
And there is an endpoint.
And there is one flag, which is blue. I don't know why it's named like that. So this is the entrance.
So this is the point where the beaches end and the seawater gets into the creek and forms the backwater. You can do kayaking here, but it's not available right now. But this is the spot. So this is the point where the beach ends and the seawater enters into the creek. We can't go nearby as it is prohibited for us, but we can see some fishermen catching the fish there. So for lunch we drove to Manipal city where we found this small restaurant bar called Hakuna Matata. The drinks price is very reasonable and you can find many young crowd here. The ambience is really good and we had a gala time here. Tonight we tried the seafood. Good morning friends, today is day 2 and we are going to Kodi Beach. Now it's almost 7 a.m. We planned for sunrise but it couldn't happen. This is the first time we woke up early and going for some beach. So I'll show you around when we reach there. Bye.
Guys, you can see there are lots of peacocks. And Mo is making sound. Try to call the peacocks.
And this is how I had the fun in the sea. We drove till the end where the road ends, and rest 10 meter or 20 meters we had to walk to enjoy this view. So guys, we have changed our hotel from Paradise Isle Beach Resort to Manipal Inn. The reason being, we had booked the Paradise Isle Beach Resort for 2 days so that we can be right in front of the beach and enjoy all the beach activities. And now this is the third day where we decided that we can move to a different hotel to enjoy the amenities as well, because as I told you, Paradise Isle Beach Resort is very downgraded, and we were not at all satisfied with the room. Yeah, the service was good, food was better, but the feeling inside the room is kind of a old school. But this room seems modern, and it is right in front of NH66, and we can overlook the highway as well. It's a beautiful 6-lane highway. Somnath is thinking when he will get to go for the lunch. That's a hungry face. Post lunch, we went to the hanging bridge. The hanging bridge basically connects two villages, and it's located at Hirur. After the hanging bridge, our next destination is the Kodi Beach, where we will visit the lighthouse. I have created a separate video for that. You can click on the eye icon above and watch that. For now, this is our last stop. After that, we will head towards our hotel. Unlike other beaches of Udupi, Kodi Beach is the most crowded one that we have experienced, and even it is more than the Malpe Beach. In the evening, we went to the Firefly Lounge Bar, which is the in-house pub of Manipal Inn. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Somu. Happy birthday to you. Hey friends, today is 6th of June and we are heading back to Bangalore. We are now crossing the Chikmagaluru highway. So friends, thank you for watching this video, and if you have liked it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we hope to see you in the next one. Thank you.